Vincenzo'S Go Crypto Investing. Comment down below, bell notification, subscribe to the channel, and share to get that truth and integrity and information you've come to expect and deserve as Bitcoin's up 9.13% post. Three rate decreases possible and expected by the Fed this year. You got to share and comment down below to have YouTube recommend our free information. Super chat if you want to support the channel. Become members, Brony Killer, yes, as we are the most trusted source, an XRP insider and cryptocurrency breaking news and coin updates here on YouTube and all of social media. And the the Fed did say in a bullish statement that they were going to do three rate decreases during 2024, which would be bullish for crypto and risk assets. Something that started the crypto bear market was when the Fed said they were going to start to do monetative tightening, right? And they were going to make money more expensive, and that started the collapse in the crypto. Fuck. But you can see crypto was down better than about 16%, the Bitcoin, from its high before we've had this recent pump in the last really only couple of hours. As you can see, we broke a pattern formation, and our major upper resistance now on our next major upper resistance is $69,000, that blue support resistance level. Our underneath local support now is 66,261 and some change, right? And that's what you're looking to hold. And there's a lot of information going around, and a lot of people getting nervous that as the Bitcoin ETF finally got approved after years of nonsense and shenaniganism and criminal gangsters manipulating and infiltrating the United States government, the Federal Reserve, and the world banking system. They manipulated that and made it take a couple of years to put through an ETF, and now Ethereum is trying, BlackRock is trying, that's right, that BlackRock again, is trying to get Ethereum ETF, and since they're trying to get the Ethereum ETF now, that brings Security and Exchange Commission, yep, that's them sniffing and snooting and moving around the Ethereum, and they're subpoenaing people just like they did with XRP, just like they did with Bitcoin, as they're trying to heavily regulate and trying to figure out an overall crypto market on who's going to regulate it, if they're going to have a bunch of ETFs now and have the crypto sphere be like just like the normal stock market where you have ETFs, you can have retirement accounts, institutional and retail traders alike. Somebody's got to regulate it, and that can be bearish initially, but if they regulate it, then the regulation's done. The only thing that changes, the spheres went from being unregulated to being regulated, right? Everything's regulated. Whether you think it's regulated or not, it's all regulated. You know what I'm saying? And that's what's going on here, and that's what a lot of the market's about. But if you can continue this bullish momentum, you might even be able to break an all-time high in Bitcoin, which isn't saying too much because we're very near the all-time high, seeing as we just broke the all-time high, right? But the XLM here, we're at a major support level of 13 cents. And if we break above that, just like when we got rejected for the second time up here at about the 15.5 cents, you can shoot really quick back up and make a third attempt of breaking that 15.5 cents, and then you can try to break the 17-cent level, right? And that's where we're threatening to go right now in one of two fashions. Either you're going to shoot straight up to the 15.6, 15.5 cent level, that blue upper resistance, or you're going to have a big fall, and that big fall is going to bring you back near the 10-cent level, right? So that's what I'm watching out for in Ethereum. The algo has had another great dump after its phenomenal pumps, and now it's starting to pump again, and we're going to see what continues to happen in algo as we have a 35-cent major upper resistance in the red trading zone, a major lower support at the bottom of the red trading zone at about 24.5 cents, and then we go into the most important that everybody cares about, the XRP, the coin that moved last year but hasn't moved this year, and it has got supported like we were talking about this morning, sitting here at about the 57 cent or the bottom part of that blue trading zone. It maintained critical support, and if we can continue to hold that critical support, we can try to run back up to that 68 cent level And if we can break that level, we can try to even run up higher and break the regional high of about 73.5 cents set a few short days ago, right? And if we zoom out farther into the XRP, the narrative has been the coin is underperforming. We've laid out a bunch of reasons why all-time highs will be hard to achieve, and also why all-time highs will be achievable. But this is the current pattern that we're in, and we need to break market structure. And if we break the market structure down, you already know some of these levels that I had down there, that we did not hit the 18 to 24 cent level by the end of 2022, all right, or 2023, because 2023 started off and continued into a bullish trend the whole year. We got down that year in 2022 when the prediction was made. The price was at $1.69, and I think we came down to 28 cents. We hit and wicked down to, so we got very, very close. But on a big breakdown in a pattern structure out of here, that would come into play, and that would cause a lot of hardship in the crypto sphere. But that is not what's on the table right now. Right now, the coins, the altcoins that are up several 100% from their bottoms after their 2021 bull market and the COVID bull run, we're trying to figure out, and the market's trying to figure out if we're going to go to an orgasmic blow off top in all the coins, or if this thing's going to come down in a fiery and crashy burn. And that stuff we're trying to figure out. But the Fed was bullish today, right? The SEC is obviously always bearish, and we're going to have to stay on top of this market and see how this shakes out the next week or two, post news from the Fed, and then that cools off, and we'll see where the market's at. Peace and love.